Beauty, natulog na. Si Rosalie. Lang. Kumatakot, be. Ang hiwalayan mo, ikaw, maging ka sa masama, sa business, sa mga. Huwag mong isipin, be, na huwag mo silang isipin kung ano sasabihin nila. At least alam mo sa sarili mo. You don't have to explain to everyone. You know yourself, darling. You don't have to explain to your neighbor. Explain to your family, especially your mom or dad, if you're close to your brother and sister. Yeah. Walang pakialam yung mga kapitbahay, be. Kung ano isipin nila. You worry about your neighbor or your community, in your atmosphere, whatever. Lalong whatever. You are not so happy. You are not happy. Why you stay? You're suffering for the pain. Bata ka pa, be. Alam mo, be, pag nagkaroon ka na ng 35, diyan mo malalaman, be. Sasabihin mo, tama yung sinabi ni Maria. Sana umalis na lang ako. Nag-abroad ka. Gano'n. Happy birthday, sis, di Dorado. Bata ka pa, be. Kakaroon ka pa ng anak sa iba. Kaya mo kung sasabihin ng mga kapitbahay ng mga chismosa. Ganun talaga yung una pag-uusapan ka. In the another day, mawawala na yung usap-usap. Watch the video I sent. Okay. Okay, Damian. Wait a minute. Ganun talaga. Good morning, Ate Maria, sabi ni DJ. Thank you, DJ. Normal yun na pag-uusapan ka ng mga chismosa mo, mga kapitbahay. Normal. What is that, Damian? Where's my telephone? Normal yun, be. Don't be afraid. Okay, Damian. Wala ka dapat i-explain to everybody. Did you know the truth? Alam mo sa sarili mo, hindi ka na maligaya. If I'm not happy, I out. I don't want to cry every time. I don't want to think. I don't want to wasting the time. It's not worth it. Yeah, I know this is a very, very hard to take the truth. But this is the thing you make it strong. I'm sorry, Beha, kasi bata pa talaga ako eh. Because maybe I'm a strong person in our family because of all the pain I had it before. Yeah. Kaya siguro, so that's why I can say it like that, the way the suggestion, especially on the situation. Yeah. Thank you, Damian. You're so young, Julie. I know it's too hard, but one day you will say it na, thank you. I'm already free. Did you know what they say that? First, respect yourself. Love yourself. But I say that to my husband, if you don't love me, Daddy, just tell me. Because I don't want you only I love you. Then you don't have feelings anymore of mine. Don't worry. I give you the wings. Then you can fly it. You have to talk that. You have to talk. If you don't fix that the problem, they make it deep and deep.